Hi YouTube, my name is Holly. I have not been on here in a while, but I'm here just to give you my update on my Sisterlock journey. I started my journey 2021 and my initial install was February the 2nd, and I had 394 Sisterlocks. That's how many I had, 394. And then after a couple of months, there was another one that she added onto the back. At first, I was really pressed about having 400 Sisterlocks, but since it's been almost 3 years, I'm very happy that I only have my 394 because I'm going to post my pictures at the end of this video to show you that the Sisterlocks really do swell. I have what they call thin hair 4C, and I did not think the texture or the volume of my hair would actually increase the way it is. I'm very pleased with this journey, and if there's anyone that is hesitant about getting Sisterlocks or you're afraid of the initial install and what it's going to look like, trust me, that passes and embrace every moment. But thank you for listening, and I'm going to insert my journey right after this video. Make today a great one. Bye now.